So once I get done with the rest of the caulking, then can I put the second coat on the same day? Well, I wouldn't suggest it. I want that caulking to get hard on the back side. It'll skin up on the outside, but just because it skins up a little bit doesn't mean that as it dries it could slightly shrink and indentate a little bit, especially in the wide cracks and where the lag bolts are, and the any wider areas where I feel I need to put more caulking. So I'm going to let it dry overnight, and what am I going to do tomorrow? The same thing I'm doing today. Well, just in case you're wondering too, try to work off of an extension ladder for 4 or 5 hours. Tell me how your feet feel, because they're going to be burning. They're going to be sore. I feel sorry for painters or people who've got to be up on extension ladders all day long. I just couldn't do it. But when it comes to extension ladders, you just got to be careful. And they said it couldn't be done. It just couldn't be done in a million years. But it's done with the first coat of caulking. I went through a little over 3 tubes, and next time, because everything's filled up, I'm just going to look at it and do a touch-up, and especially where the bolts are and the deep gouges and stuff like that. I'll probably go through another tube or so. So just if you're wondering how many tubes it's going to take to do just this area like this. Well, 3 tubes so far. I'm into the 4th one. Okay. Wow. I am glad today is over. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I'm going to go in and take a nice hot bath in the jacuzzi.